We went to New York City's Diamond District to answer one big question. Can you actually make money flipping watches on 47th Street? We linked up with Watch King NYC, and off the strength of our mic and our name, he floated us a $10,000 watch. Did we secure the bag or did we get finessed? Stick around to the end and see if we came up with a W or if we caught an L. My name is Eric and this is Fast Flips with Superline. This is a game. I want to fast flip. I don't even have no money, bro. Give me a watch. Tell me what my break even is, and I'm gonna see if I can sell it.
I'm a Batman. No.
He don't trust me that much. Batman is crazy.
I trust you.
This is crazy. Don't worry, I won't run off. I won't go. You won't see me at the club tonight.
I'll find you, I swear.
Yo, you saw that face? That's the face of a guy that will find me for sure.
Get me 11.5.
11.5. Right. Anything above I can keep.
We're playing Squid Games. What happens if he doesn't sell?
If I don't sell, I get on my knees and I beg for my life.
Oh, so I wasn't like that.
All right, what do I need to know about it? It's full linked?
It's one link short.
One link short.
Two-tone sub.
Day one of my my career as a watch dealer. Let's see if I can make some fucking money. Get on my knees. 11.5.
11.5 you get.
11.5. All right.
Anything under, over, let me know.
Okay.
Start 11.8.
Okay. I got you. All right, guys. Two-tone sub. 11.5. Bet.
You. Sam, make sure he comes back.
Yo, this is crazy. Off the strength of the name, we got 11.5 love.
I never met this guy a day in my life, but I trust him.
You never met me a day
Never met a day in his life.
All right, I'll be back. Give me an hour. You're not getting on the block. 11.5. Let's see what we could do with this shit, my boy.
How the fuck did we just get a free watch?
I don't know.
Show us the watch.
All right, who's gonna pay? We came back.
I know, right?
I need to sell you a watch. Yeah, we bought the cameras. We're coming back.
All right.
I have a watch I need to sell.
How much you're asking for this $12,000 watch?
I'll take 12.
What are you asking?
12.
12. You take 12. Since you're taking 12, I gotta offer you less.
Okay, I'll take less. How much will you offer me?
1 second, let me make a phone call.
So what do you do? You calling another wholesaler, another dealer?
I'll call in my partner. Yo, what up? Submarine 2024, but one link missing with the certificate. There's a nice guy that he wants to sell it to me. What should I buy it for?
This is crazy.
You want me to send you a picture? You want to look at it?
Yeah, for 2011.
Is it 2011?
May 24.
Oh shit! Yeah, it's the other way around. I see the 24.
It's the European.
Oh, the European one. Okay. If I buy it for 10.8, is that good price?
I paid more.
What'd you pay?
I paid more. I paid 11.5.
11.5?
I paid 11.5.
He said he paid 11.5.
11,000 is the price.
All right, for us it's for $11,000.
Okay, I'll come back.
But check it around. If
Okay.
you find better price, let me
I
know.
will. Thank you guys.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. Benny, I'll bring you something.
Show me. How much?
I paid 11.5.
It's not bad.
I want to make $100 and I want to bless the chat. Let them know you buy good.
I have this watch.
You tell me where I can go take it and
I
make
mean, you want it
$100.
very great, I tell you that much. If I didn't have one, I would buy one.
Okay, so just
Yes.
go shop the block.
Yes.
All right.
Don't try to make only 100. Try to make 500.
Show your offer. You gotta hustle also. Go there, start with
Sure.
one, negotiate it down to 12.6, and you're good to go.
Okay. I appreciate it, OG. Thank you. Let's just walk in here. Let's see if we can get somebody. I'm trying to sell this watch. Where's the best place to go sell it?
How you know it's real?
Me? My boss gave it to me.
So what does that mean? It's good?
I mean, it's his name. Yeah, he's been on the block for 20 years, so I hope
your
so.
boss?
The Watch King. NYC. We're shooting a documentary. We're trying to shoot. We're trying to.
for me, man.
No cameras.
No camera.
We gotta sell this watch, Sam. We have to sell this watch.
It is the big guy.
I'm looking to sell this watch. Where can I sell this watch?
How much you want for it?
Oh, can you give me 12?
I don't buy watches.
Okay.
Oh, don't take picture.
Oh, sorry. It's for a documentary. Hey, the old people, they're not fucking with the watches, bro. That's how you do it, door to door. You know what I'm saying? Work the block. Fuck it. I'm trying to sell a watch. I'm trying to sell this watch.
How much they give you?
I want to sell it for 12.
How you doing?
Oh, we're shooting a documentary.
Somebody give you 10,000, you take the money.
Somebody offered me
I
11.
don't need it.
All right, thank you guys so much. It's a lot harder than I thought, guys. Hey, one day on the block, I'm learning. I need to sell this watch, y'all. One day on the block, I'm learning. I'm still your connect, Steve. Steve, you easy to work with, right? Come on, one day on the block. I studied that for one day. I'm on the block. I need to sell this. 12. 12.
We're giving too much free game.
12. You're giving too much free game. 12.
Old model.
I know.
10,000.
Yo, don't take me out of business, B. Soon enough, he's gonna get the store next to us.
By the looks of it, I can't even sell
Welcome
one
to
watch.
welcome to the mafia block, my friend.
This shit is hard.
You're half Jewish now.
How much you think I could sell that for?
What I would pay for this?
Yeah.
10 max.
10 max. Who can I weasel to get 11.5?
How much did you pay?
11.5.
You paid 11.5?
Well, I got it on the arm. Yeah, my name is good on the streets right now, so I don't have to pay anything. I got it on the arm. Let's make a deal. You easy to work with, Steve, for the people. For the people. I'll invite you to my birthday dinner next time. Please, Steve. Let's make a deal for the camera, for the people. They'll know to come here.
10,000?
10 is too, it's too low. 11.5. I'll make nothing. I just want to break even today.
12, but there's a problem.
Where can I go get this? Where can I go get 11.5 for it? Maybe even 11.2.
Moses!
I offered him 10. I literally said 10 also. I offered him 10.
I can't listen. One thing I learned in the streets is you can't stab the guy that taught you the game. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving him the steals and deals. He taught me everything. I can't go to him and ask him for more money.
You're about to get another lesson
He
right
gave
now.
me the game.
You
He
might take
gave me
your
the
first L,
game.
my
You know what I'm
friend.
saying?
Welcome to the block.
He gave me the game. I can't go back to him. That's why I didn't go to your booth. All right, we'll see you guys.
Don't put it on camera, don't put it on camera.
I got a guy who give me 11. I think I can get 11 out of him.
Say 11.5 is your cost. How you gonna give me
Don't
11?
do anything yet. Wait.
I think I can get 11.
Save your words, sweetheart.
I want to come back with a sale. I don't want to get on my knees.
Save your words.
I don't want to get on my knees tonight.
It's okay. I'm gentle. Wipe yourself.
When does the block close? I still have 2 hours, right? It's not over. The time's not over yet. I still have 2 hours.
What'd you get here?
I think I can get 11 out of this.
No. I can also
can't.
get 11. I get more than
Yeah, give me a cheaper watch. Look,
Get 11.5. You didn't go. Where did you go?
I went down the block. I went everybody.
Everywhere. And
Yeah.
nobody offered you over 11.
People offer me 10,
I'll buy
10.5.
for 10.5 too, and I'll buy for
Somebody,
10.8.
I think I can get it for like 11, 11.2 maybe.
Man, give me an offer and come back to it.
Hey, can you give me some tips? How can I move this?
Tips? For
Yes,
what?
to move this. I want to come back to my boss, make him happy.
I just fed him. He's happy. But okay, you want to sell? I'll tell you what. Go into the larger exchanges. And just go.
The larger exchange, what do you mean? Like,
An exchange like this, like
okay, where's
the
that?
guy back there. See,
Okay.
Anyone you see with watches in the window, just offer.
Okay. How's it going, sir? I need to sell this watch. Don't buy? Can you help me? I need to sell this watch.
How much do you want?
12.
It's a lot.
It is a lot. I said that so that we could go back and forth and then we can end up on the number that I really want. You get also additional promo included into the sale of the watch. You know, everything now on the 47th is all about clout and the TikTok, you know?
You have a few seconds, I can send it to my people.
Yeah, we'll wait.
But what's the realistic number that you want?
11.5, we shout you out, we put you on camera. You'll get mad shorties in your DMs right afterwards. They'll be like, damn, this guy got it.
You're married, brother. What shorties?
Well,
Too late for
is
that.
your homeboy married?
He has 3 kids.
Oh, damn. You got 3 kids? You look like you're like 23.
Bro, you know how they do it. That's the best? Okay. I'll let him think.
What's his best?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. 10K.
Well,
You're not gonna get better than that.
I'm not gonna get better than that.
And that's he's doing it because like you're homie, you know?
Yeah.
And I said it's for my boy.
Somebody said they'll give me 11. I should go back to that guy. Huh?
11?
Yeah.
Take it.
Okay.
Because you got their clout. Bro, run.
Let's go, run.
Oh,
I quit my day job. I'm a watch dealer now. I brought you a watch.
wow. How much is this beautiful, beautiful watch?
How much would you pay?
For this watch? I don't know. It's your watch, your price.
12.
It is. You take 8,500.
My bottom, I'm just trying to get it up for the video. I'm trying to get it off for 11.5.
I see these going around, if I'm not mistaken, right now to dealers for 10, 10.5.
So where can I go get 11.5 for? It has
You know
to be
how it
retail?
is. You gotta go around. Same
gotta
way
go
you're doing it
around.
right now.
Oh my God.
Don't worry.
Okay. What time they close on the block?
5.
Realistically, what do you think I could get?
I think maybe 9,000. If you get it, sell it. I'm being honest with you.
Okay. This is harder than I thought.
Of course. What'd you think?
I thought I was gonna go down the street. Hey, the videos, they make it look so easy. They just go down the street and they sell it. I'll be back. You guys buy watches by any chance? Yeah. How's it going, sir? We're doing a documentary. I'm trying to show kids how to make money selling watches on 47th Street.
And how much you looking for?
It's 12,000. It comes with the free Instagram shout out from a page that has 1 million followers. We do over 100 million impressions a month. Okay, let me show you the page. The youngins know. The youngins know.
Why don't you work together with my guy?
We can talk. I mean, it depends on how much you buy it for. If you're gonna make a profit.
I bought it for 11.5. I just want to, for the video, I want to get 11.5. I want to be done. I want to go home so I can go back to my hotel and sleep. If I don't, I got to get on my knees and I got to go, you know, get spanked.
By who?
My boss. He loaned me the money. He loaned me the watch.
Okay, so let's do 10-8 then.
11.5 is like what I need.
You need 11.
11.5. I promise. I'll give you an Instagram post.
How about if I sell you with the white card 11.8?
11.8.
With the white card.
Oh, you want to sell it to me?
Yeah.
No, I gotta.
Better age.
I don't have any money. Somebody gave me this to sell to make money.
What are we working on?
11.50. That's my.
Can't do 10-8.
I can't do 10.8. 11.5 is the best. I give you guaranteed a promo reel.
Would you do flip or no?
11.5 is like, I'm not even kidding. That's what I need to not get spanked.
11.5, no?
I'm in a Squid Games right now. I have till 5 o'clock to get him 11.5. 11,500 or else I die.
You gotta go to somebody else. What do we
How much
flip.
would you do? What would you flip it
Well,
at?
he said 10-8. I'll do 11.
Cash?
You need cash? I'll give you cash.
Give me 11 cash.
11
Do it.
cash?
And I'll shout you out, yeah.
Okay.
11 cash, I'll shout you out.
Albert, we're gonna take a look at it.
Okay.
11 straight. I told you.
How you gonna give me invoice?
Invoice, it's cash.
I don't buy from public. You have a business?
I'm a watch dealer. I'm building my name out here.
You gotta give me invoice.
I'll give you my ID.
No, I cannot buy personal.
You need an invoice.
Yeah.
Look, I'll show you. My name is good on the streets. My name is good on the streets. Look, I'll show you.
Listen. He's gonna go with you, take it with you to the watchmaker. You
Okay.
can do the video, he'll check the watch, you can do the video, the
All right,
extra.
let's do it.
And 11,000 he'll pay.
11,000. Let's get it. My boy knows. You gotta get the youngest in the videos. He knows. What's your name, bro? Moshi.
Yeah.
Moshi. How long you been in the game for?
About 3 years.
4 years. So what are you doing now? You gonna go make sure it's legit?
We gotta make sure the internal movement is correct, make sure there's nothing wrong, everything is working properly, nothing is missing. We have our own guy that we take it to. This guy does it quick and fast. I don't want to take up too much of your time, too much of my time. So you'll see how he takes it apart, make sure everything is correct, make sure everything is running. And then from there, if everything, like we say, it's kosher, you're good to go.
Kosher. I like that.
See, these people have something that I don't. They have experience. So he'll take a look at it. He'll open it up. He'll see exactly what's working, what's not, anything that's missing. And then from there, we can go ahead and move forward.
So that's the machine to open it up.
Correct. It's a mechanism, not really a machine, but it's a mechanism, correct. To open up the movement without breaking it, scratching it. People, they want to do that by themselves. They'll take a towel and they'll press their hand, or they'll take like a knife and they try to prong it out. But in reality, you kill your watch like that. When you have the proper tools, it's easier. Good? Спасибо.
Wow, just like that. Guys, shout out Iceberg & Co. So you guys buy watches, sell watches, what's your main thing?
I do everything. I do custom pieces for a couple of my celebrity clients here and there, but we started with watches.
Started with watches.
He said everything is good, so
Zilla was gonna take his ID.
that's it. We'll take the ID, I'm gonna have it scanned, and that's it.
Sells?
Yeah.
Let him count first. По типу считай.
This is 10?
No, по цифру считай. А не знаю,
Showing off his skills over here. You're good to go. Just we gotta show the camera that the dealer also takes care of his clients.
You're gonna thumb through it way faster than me.
Good to go. In case Eric wants something in the future, we're
gonna
happy
help
to
us
take
out.
care of him and the camera guy over there.
Y'all go shop Iceberg, alright?
Iceberg & Co. You know where
Iceberg & Co. Where's my daddy at, guys?
What up? How much you get here?
I'm gonna sell you the rest. I'm gonna sell you 500.
How much you get?
I got 11. I had to close the deal. I'm gonna give you the 5.
Why would you do that?
Sometimes you gotta take a loss.
Dude, let me teach you a lesson in this business, bro. Never pull your fucking pants down. You have the merchandise, you're the king. Don't undersell yourself. I told you 11.5 for a reason.
I tried. Nobody would give me 11.5.
Fine. You come back at another
Nah,
watch.
but I would rather take 5 so you know I'm gonna move it. So the next time you gonna give me a better price. Cause now you gonna know this guy's crazy. He's gonna say he's gonna.
11,000, bro. Why would you do that, bro?
Sometimes it's better to lose money and make a sale. Cause guess what? You're not gonna last losing money every time. You lose 200 today. Tomorrow lose 100. Then lose 0. Then after that you're gonna make 100. It takes time, bro. This is my first trade. I got you 11 G's. The guy over there, he brought you 33. Yeah, he made $300, but he didn't bring you 11 G's. And you got paid in full. I didn't burn out my name.
150,000 right now. I didn't start losing money in this business, bro. I would make $50. I would make $0. I'd never start with an L. Never.
Guess what I did though? I went outside and I met a lot of relationships.
Eric, listen to me.
I'm gonna come back. You can give me a better watch for a better
Listen
price
to me, Eric.
for me to make
People
money.
here are sharks, and
Yeah.
they take advantage of people like you.
It's okay.
And you gotta stand your ground.
I will. But this one is not a loss. It's a $500 lesson. But I still brought you 11 G's. No. I don't want another watch to sell. I want to go home to my hotel. They make it look easy on TikTok, but when you're out here in the trenches and you're fucking cold and they got you running around and shit.
It's mad fucking easy.
It's not easy. It's not easy. But the one thing is though, I will say, keep your name good in the streets because I never sold watches and this guy loaned me fucking casually $20,000 worth of shit today. I could have fucking ran off on him and I could have gone to the club and took the guys, but my name is good across all industries. So keep your name clean.
Now he bought my trust. Now you can really scam me.
Now I'm gonna get the Tiffany Patek for 180 and then he'll never see me.
185.
185, yeah.
You wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that for $1 million. You have a good heart.
I wouldn't do it. You gotta keep your name clean. This is gonna wrap it up. Fast flips.
I love you, bro.
Thank you, man. I will say one thing. They make it look a lot easier on TikTok than what it is in real life. Come to 47th Street. This is the guy. He'll gonna give you a $3,000 watch if your name is good, and he's gonna sell it for you.
No, or if I don't know you, I'm gonna take you around with me together, and I'll show you how to work it. Love you guys. Thank you, bro.
You know we stay giving y'all free game.